Hi boys and girls, are you ready for some sound fun? We're going to do our alphabet cards and do our letter sounds. So we'll do our letter, the keyword that unlocks the sound, and the sound that the letter makes. We're going to start with our vowel sounds because our vowel sounds are so important. We need to have a vowel in every word that we make. So let's start with our vowel sounds and our vowel motions. So remember, A, apple, A. E, edge, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, Ah. U, up, Now we're going to do all of our consonant sounds, and we're going to do our letter, keyword, sound. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. F, fish, F. G, gate, G. H, horse, H. J, jump, J. K, kite, K. L, leaf, L. M, mouse, M. N, nest, N. P, pig, P. Q, U, quilt, Qu. R, rabbit, R. S, sun, S. T, turtle, T. V, volcano, V. W, wagon, W. X, fox, X. Y, yo-yo, Y. Z, zebra, Z. Good job, everyone. You're a sound superstar. Kiss your brain. You rock.